National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify minimum bolt sizes for securing mechanical lugs to structural steel. However, it does provide general guidance for the selection of fasteners. Section 110.14 requires electrical equipment to be installed using fasteners that are appropriate for the purpose. Section 300.12b requires fasteners to be of sufficient size and quantity to adequately support the cable. While the NEC does not provide specific bolt sizes, industry standards do. The IEEE/ANSI C37.48 standard for bolts and nuts for transmission and distribution applications specifies minimum bolt sizes for various lug sizes and cable diameters. According to IEEE/ANSI C37.48, the minimum bolt size for a 3/0 cable is 5/8 inch. However, it is important to note that this standard applies to transmission and distribution applications which typically involve higher voltages and currents. Another source of guidance is the manufacturer's recommendations. The manufacturer of the mechanical lug being used may provide specific bolt size recommendations in their product literature. While common sense and experience can be valuable, it is important to consider the potential consequences of using bolts that are too small. Undersized bolts may not provide adequate support for the cable, leading to a potential safety hazard. Given the lack of specific bolt size requirements in the NEC, it is recommended to follow industry standards and the manufacturer's recommendations. In this case, the minimum bolt size according to IEEE/ANSI C37.48 is 5/8 inch. However, it is acceptable to choose to use a larger bolt size for additional safety and reliability.